Okay, so I'm just getting straight into this. I'm parting my hair from ear to like part in half, and then after that I'm gonna like do a diagonal part because that's how I want my braids to go, and I'm sectioning off the back of my hair. Right here, this is my braid pattern for the back of my hair. This is a couple days later when I actually did it. This is the hair I used. I got it from Sam Beauty. I can't remember how much it was. I can't remember how much it was. I might have to figure that out. This hair was, it was good in the beginning, but now it's like 3 weeks later. I gotta take it out. I don't know if I can save it. It's human hair though. Right here, I'm just sewing my hair in. I'm struggling. This video is sped up, so it's not showing how much I was struggling, but I was rushing because I had like an hour to get this done. Like literally 1 hour. And then I had to be on a Zoom meeting, so I really had to rush. But I finished it, mostly. But I'm just going back and forth. I'm not cutting my wefts or anything. I'm folding them over, and then once I get closer to the top of my head, I start putting my tracks in like a U shape so that my tracks won't show when I like, I don't know how to explain it. But it goes in like a U shape so that it hides the tracks that are falling down over top of the other ones, if that makes sense. I think it's coming to that part now where I'm like almost done. And then my last track at the top, I flipped over and then sewed it that way. But I still did have leave out because I didn't want any of my tracks showing.
Saying, you know, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever.
Alright, now I'm done sewing everything in and everything is braided and whatnot, and I'm just curling like my little, I don't know, I don't have baby hair, so my little edges that I decided to leave out. I'm gonna go back in later on in the video and then like put edge control in it. I just don't know when that part is coming up, but that's what I do. Right here, I'm thinking about what I want to do next because I clearly look confused, but I'm spraying my hair down with water. That's probably what I was confused about. I didn't know if I wanted to do it or not and if it was going to be bad. But I'm spraying it down with water and I'm about to put some leave-in conditioner in it. It's something from L'Oreal. I'm about to show the bottle right here. I don't know if y'all can see that because I can't really see it myself. But yep, I'm just running that through the hair and then I'm gonna brush it or comb it if that's a comb. I'm combing it. I get quite a bit of shedding from this hair, like initially, but like it's still like that now. It kind of hurt my feelings. But yep, I'm still combing. I'm gonna just shut up now. I must be watching TV or something. Y'all probably am. I wonder what I'm watching. What was I watching? I don't know. Anyway, this part, I'm just braiding down part of my ends. My hair slightly matches the hair that I got in. So what my plan was is to just like make the ends of my braids curly versus like putting beads in it or anything. And I'm taking the Doux Mousse and putting it on my ends and like twirling my finger around the ends of my hair to get the curl. It was working for some pieces of hair. Other pieces, they just didn't want to do right. I did get my hair like trimmed recently, so it's like really even. Um, eh. So it didn't do exactly what I wanted it to do, but it was okay.
Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. I wrote myself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, and I gave myself 5 years or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995. Just before Thanksgiving 1995, I found out that I was going to make $10 million dollars and dollars and dollars and dollars.
Okay, but I'm really trying to remember what I was watching because that face right there, like, what was I watching? What was it? I just came back to say that. Oh, wait, am I doing something different now? Oh, yeah, I'm taking out my leave out and I'm putting that same mousse that I put on the ends of my braids on my hair. It worked out for like a couple days, and then mm, the humidity in Maryland, it's different. So, yeah, no, it did not last long. But it lasted long enough. And here I'm just doing that and trying to get my Insta curl, which they never do because my hair hates me. It just hates me. You see that? It's just like that little curl at the end. It gets better, but it be taking a lot of work. I feel like at the end I just said forget it. I probably did. I'm getting frustrated just watching this.
I found out that I was going to make $10 million dollars and dollars and dollars and dollars.
Now I'm doing the other side. Is it just one strand of hair? I get. Oh, that's what they get. Look at that. My nose is like really stuffy. Like I don't know if I got a cold or if it's just my allergies and the way my life goes. I don't know. Oh man, there's one piece of hair left. Gosh, this is taking forever and I'm just watching it. Like, jeez Louise. Oh, this is the edge control I use, and I lost it, unfortunately. I'm I'm gonna look up the name, but I love this edge control so much. Like, it's the best edge control I've ever used in my life. Like, it actually worked, and it held my edges down for days. And here I'm just trying to do some swoops or something, whatever works, but I did have to hurry up and leave at that point. So however it was how I was walking out the house. Oh, here's the end. This is how it turned out. I really liked it. Um, it lasted for like a good 3 weeks. That third week was really rough. Anywho, that's it.